papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu
Nkonyenya Harriet Bodo manyam fiala ganya actress ha lenye fofoi da shada manno na nyi hepona Kumawood TV a ele agbaji nyoto mi be multi TV akenenye be wo ya mekwele ji hara jagba na yo agba nyala wa va dereji no kala fima nya be movies yo keke mi etitima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jogbaji movies so ha musianu ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima ga yiji ha wa me na le na netra etela nya
right ene eda ya wada very special Thursday evening onyankopon ede ache ye na twidi ampase se ene so watumi ede ache na etemada bobi mu moja edi afisane no se ne so se de bia meka no se utum fine na odwadwe papa onua onyankopon so mala siwie ebia na de wo pe ato wo nya bia anto de wo pe aton ya anto amfa mo enyo bia wo pe won san kan ne bare no nchechi nyankopon wapo kon bia so be papa mu no ba hye no ho eno na ya transi e wo sinopi na ene ibe nyamre na etumi asinopi sam no doson a ebetumi adi enkomo e wo kasafidi so na yesinopi no na ye hwe se nyame ya adom a wo kyena e fiada memenda kosiada e ade se ejibifo a wo so mpedi ampo nyame bo so basase be kwa sori na ho be komos be komos na ora ko so mpedi ampo nyame pon at least be 2 months ni a asori dem ayakoya eni ubo pompon na ko hwen so ya hudu no so hudu mu a hudu no abusu a omo prapra na omo disinfective kama se de be ya fiada me na kwese da en nyam hye no omo atwede ampo nyakopon bigamre na yetumi edi ho ko bisa se nyibia so fo mba pa sorry na eniema religious and chieftaincy affairs ministry edi ebu akwan so mu ni so no ombedi so ana bi ko ase ne de wampani na etse kwan ba so yesu nyame aso fo no ombedi so ana se ebia enimo kwa no en kwa sore se de ICGC ene materis kwa no ga bi o ha ko history redina materis de o se omba ko next week this week no omo enko operation no say na isitie so na ewadisuo mu no ade se emeyi the Ghana Education Service and Ministry of Education at the safety protocols numbers be agwakwen and also NAT CCT two and after NAGBRAT people that on the choir and on muaye and aba and share and aba every morning na yebua chief justice of Ghana edienu atrase omo tena so no omo say Supreme Court as Electoral Commission say omo go for reasons in tier omo Electoral Commission susu say all voter register any kwan say ye de to aba enfa me kire court bitu bia but the court anyamtu no reasons no entaso mu a kwan bia support be hye ama Electoral Commission etumi ato aso the all voter register no aya senso de the aka passport any Ghana card no ama eda to aba o my Ghana no so ena me manufo na transi na ena mo di nkomo e ho yini fi wa unu say the new Patriotic Party NP family ko no omo agena anda ko fo do atum prekope so ne Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia omo new modern bill for 2020 December 7 general elections na omo asset 20th of this month June say across the country we biara NPP MP wo biara on beto aba na omo eyidie osefata so be dem ko ni mu akopre the parliamentary seat no come December 7th and also nkomo be nyamre na yetumi edi we ene nkomo doso ene atransi yebe sinupi na yetumi edi nkomo na Seneson say on Facebook Kumawood TV and after so on YouTube no Sam Darkwish TV or like it on Facebook or like and watch now for so TV na ene ye be ko Libya ina mo Libya so omo amenya ntie so how many amane ye ko so Libya say ye kunkum krofo bunkrofo kan krofo she dem na no she pa ene Libya fo bi o me Ghana fo mte wo e bi ko na ya di tunu pa say the essential tie enso e wo Libya na e bia na o hwemi we are sorry and also in Museum ku bi a sushi bia no na open original certified one face mask thermometer gun and say ebia open bibia facial ni na no oba Kumawu TV a ebenya bi dem repem ebenya mre ye de hu enko in fact that from God's Way casket shop work as a professor na mo His Herbal Center Dr. Mohammed Isa Abiu so mi na so asene me de silupi bro mi twa mo asi na me ba Mr. Peter Boateng Ashanti Regional Secretary the Nat Ofia Sanso na Sofopeni Reverend Benson Boateng Jenfi so Sofopeni ono na eda asoria Divine Panel Chapel Worldwide omo ha me ha tetre for di mu na fe Christopher so di mu ambo a omo aye say ye easy restrictions no atu edema itwa mo say ba e benya mre na yetimi SNP
TV aba amansane yena yedie
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We a Kumawu TV. We the yaye demo movie bia mo pese mo share aye chi movie piano aye na ye movie aye in Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawu TV. So keep watching Kumawu TV.
TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winna no baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedie
Konyenya Harriet Budung manyang fiala ganya actress ha lenye vovoyi da shada manona nyi hapona Kumawu TV a ele agbaji nyoto mi be multi TV akenenya be we ya mekwele ji ara jagba na yo agba nyala wa va tereji no kala fima nya baby movies yo keke mi ejitima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jogbaji movies so ha musianu ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima ga iji ha wa me na le na nejra etela nya tomato so mi kejra mele kwa jagbagba ne na va awo advert alo poplo toto le Kumawu TV ji amo ha wa po onu ava play na ochinacho wonto eta mesia manager jagbagba be ye po Kumawu TV Kumawu TV ava ni atukoka tanto Ghana tukoka tanto Kumawu TV ava ni atuko utoye Kumawu TV ava ni Ghana tukotoye
Kumawu TV amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedie
Hello, Ebusia for your friend Calibos, the only boss with wireless. Boss Suba Coupe, TV so they were when it's here. Kumawu TV, and bam.
TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawu TV aba amansane yena
right yensan hefa kwaba from Sinupi meaning edit say Mike Shenson say ubitimi ene yedi kita ho Facebook Kumawu TV and afi Samdakus TV and so YouTube 0543 596 070 we will screen any numbers ni bua what the message be back WhatsApp ni akenkan etu media ma but na June 4th until the 41st anniversary of the June 4th no Jerry John Rollins I said with you na we na virtual is a said here yes independent share we built no crazy and our team ye be komo say schools and afi so sorry and the mocks are hodwa ye bi ye sha se am ya advocate how prepared are we as Ghanaians say the attention for FM and afi nyamson for FM how prepared are we na ye Reverend Bansi Reverend Akaba
Amia
ibi aboko
Kristo ne yako house mo
ni adu
yes
mo so aye kam
that's
wa fit ne ye aso ma fi yi pa
that's
mo fi yi pa And then Mr. Peter Boateng, Ashanti Regional Secretary, Nat. Of Akwaba.
Yeah,
Bokode.
Yaminti.
Sir, Ufis
Kwenye we have to. Obusasa. Na esha asema me kwara mini promise. Ti me past Janeba. Ti ene quarantine affairs we kuna meka mo.
Oza, na uni Ghana.
So my man can make ko Canada ko ye one or two things.
Okay. Nti ubedru ye no.
Drew ya na juna say August na ba she say na quarantine.
Okay.
Ti na ni ya. But enye easy sir.
Ba. Family wo kakra. Ya quarantine mo na tesay.
Some here can know. But by the cancer, it will be after say at the end so we are going to be in prison. And that's why we take freedom movement. Because we say you shut them apart from gate and entrance to go in. Now you walk from back when they be honest for no trouble.
Ile na ne bro de si form.
Yeah,
Me on fama so be
oh my God. Just see the sorry a beman son of the woman. Yes, I'm going to say. And actually, now by today,
How long na mo udi ne ho?
16 days.
16 days. How many tests?
2 tests.
Ni na negative. Ana mo ye sebra. Hotel ba na mo.
I'm going to be so
Ibis hotel. Wa mo ka bia.
then my book.
Ana mo nya pa fra busuafo.
Come on, then here call. But the call begin and no, they be crowding here, the be anti me mount Japan Bibiana, but later no alarm and here be at least you need 1 or 2 things. If you say we cry, let's say before so na back Ghana. Tina pa Bibiana, we jam na ko Canada.
Okay.
We do land by no nya kwan ba. You say the same sequence no money to ticket America and told new ticket. And the bedroom after and the class na me na airport. I came with nothing.
Wow.
Few things be a to or London and day. I need stuff. I get a chakra. I will be easy. This is Choma Lia,
Nti oba ya mo ba fie no. You say so for we be one sorry man e hwem. Tuam ka. Brabo na kwasɛn. How easy has it been?
I want to get a na me who say a wake up call not suffering. If you say you are suffering, they depend solely on the church, which is very wrong. Maybe I was sitting here, if you are fee for people, that you can buy. Maybe I can't suffer a fee, every penny will be a mission. Wait for. Now, it sounds like, assuming you are back, why are you calling me? It's a certain support you. It is a concept. On the shame and it's not easy. There will be a new business. It will survive your ways, but you sooner others. You don't do anything apart from the church. But you know what they say when you take a minute, you try that person in other people.
Try that person take it
Serious.
Produce around. And then you produce sleep your come with you.
After no we have 23 times never. I will say, I saw for the baby, they were big problem. Now, I'm blame all. Obedience of the freedom. Someone, but now, so if you of the freedom, to when we be a camp. There is a bush and Tom pocket and rubber bag in here. You will claim a swag, never need to check for the business. It is sometimes not even control our sorry. I mean, we had the wrong thing, I have to give it to you. Because all the bar hallelujah, all of them hallelujah. But high if you say home shop one, ain't mean I mean can't try to say I saw them why it's help us because that is the business I'm assuming. And I mean who look at crap, any pampers they depend on us also to and they make the business up to now you are software they beg to it. It's a some say part of that also.
Wow. You cry Babes, Bow, boy, a crans.
Obi share me we are something on them, you know what I'm talking about. And I am in nature. Until we are there on the back. Till the Takuna would do it, also much.
My crowd is on the person to say.
Sunday, I am about Debbie.
And they will know anything.
If you say,
the chance, divine or fine.
We go from your branches.
Okay, the main way of finding Crowfoot, the branches to be mine. Okay.
Should be a man from Kenya and Totos from Cassim, a Sapon and Crowfoot, and a Petra and Sacon. Outside
the country, you are.
I started that. Let me go there with the Janet. Europe, so I saw this in Papa French and San. Now I'm a soon dinner, wouldn't even be. Until when I'm coming, I have to bring it.
What's it? Say the past sorry, Namia Dumwa, Cosiedano, Anne, and I find you some any Anne. Is India.
And I say, measures made that one. I saw me a quadrier, but in the quadrier. Till I'm sick, Anne, baby.
I did the moon, the Mako.
Shall I be you? But I say, oh, I know after all, probably so to Kakusho no Kwawas. I am a clear Juma, I am a Sadia. Mean to me, so we are friendly. We done a life of man. Maybe I see a so or reception. I'm looking great. Monday, the base of Missia, I will see a good be attended while I'm not afraid of when you're. And one thing is, because there's some people they need as a family. Can I can't say be check on my independence here? Yet they are software, I am for, and I'm my for in the woman. A software in for yeah, I can't only answer it. What yeah, oh boy, but the woman do my control my. The book of Hosea 13, verse 12, was said by the hands of the prophets, the Lord delivered the Israelites, and by his hands he preserved them. Tetano, Name, the Asopho, the dinner chair, I'm from when you say, I'm saying, to say, you're free one, and you're some can say about me a car software. I mean, put in general, you will come over software, they are part of it. They are also so. There were conforms of also because they are here, and you will be an assuming. You will inform the audience also in America. I don't also for in America, not about in general. Until right now, I already a big pass a sorry because 1 hour a day is right. About young commercial every match here. The buy the sign actors.
TV Aba, I'm on Sunday,
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. Where I come out with TV, where the Yaya demo movie beer, mo pesa mo share. I movie piano. I movie I Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawood TV. So keep watching Kumawood TV.
TV Aba, I'm on Sunday, Kumawood TV Aba, I'm on Sunday, Sini Papa Ben, I will pay Biasha. I'm on Sunday, winner no baby. Kumawood TV, I'm on Sunday, Kumawood TV Aba, I'm on Sunday,
Konyenya Harriet Budung, Manyang Fiala Ganya actress, Lenya Vovoida Shada, Manona Niha Pona, Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, Elle Agbaji, Nyotami Multi TV. I can't never wear my well Jihara, Jabana Yakbang, Yalawa Vava de Regino, Calafima, Yababe movies, Yokem Yatima, Yakbela Fima.
Right, yes, I am my father, and from Rasimupi on Kumawood TV. Again, or the back waste to near numbers will so money if I didn't tell the young bread and come. You do didn't come sorry, readiness and I think so. Schools are hold. Now, many Reverend Benson, and the I mean, call now secretary, Ashanti Region, who wrote the article. It's about him, young share at a telephone, and someone who are moving who are no so common and no idea to me.
Yo, but I say, Menchia, I have 4 years after Nana, a teacher of a church for, American church for, I'm the BC 94, a muscle. Yeah, Bisadini, Nanso say, Osabu was a to penny him now, or Jimudu na. If I say, no, Nanya church for Yasem, a gun and mine Yasem, and I'm say, bringing the Becky Kafuni, Becky Madame Pine. Yaboko school, Nano. Where can't you be a church for Yesu? This is idea. Now was say it's paying for now to say Yabako dear. Now was say if you Baku, me and son, near maybe to talk one mansa. And say, yeah, the Ministry of Education with the Ghana Education Service as the immediate secretariat. Now we believe, say, near Yesu Trebeno. Do na abaya to me the Nasia, Cassia pa Emma Bay. Na. Yet also me say, a binance work can be or no bet to me. Am I yen to be paying? The only area any Moses say. na se edru ho amenim se ye de no nso bagu
dia hin na mo de koma aban ana ministry no a e bae no nenka
yedi kan se nanka ye pese ye tifri minister ho se ye be kodia nanka nkwada na be school nyina no ani a churchefo ni nyina no ye hu se ba test be ansa na nkwada na betima we school mo esan se de mte se de papa sofo kan ye a o fra bro si fo ma be kan ne she denim nkwada yi so akodi fie be bosomi mienu a se be school nti sa ye nya betra sa ma bemra na ne ye nchire mo ye nya ne se em se sika da so ne nye sika ketwa ta ban betumi aka se school ni akoda bia no okọ akọ ye no test na nsana akoda na ba school na mpokura so yenso ye du no ko ani mu no ne wo me se ye nya akoda bia test oba school na ba bi no eto asomo kire se akoda no pon school be na kofie o kofie a okodu fie ba bo fie no so we test na
day schools
there be JSS dey anybody
okay JSS
abani school bia ye JSS no ye day school nti se ye koka se ye papim ne se aban ye school ni akoda bia test ansa na akodia na ba bibi no ye so kwam se ye nya nhwe asem ni ye esan se wonko ya akoda no nko akontankro se wa ye no test nti se dey o negative nti obetumi akọ school na se koba se akoda na pon school o ko fie no ne maame o ne papa o ne namfofo ne kotina fie ho one of our is how for us buy a test. The say that will be a fishy deal if we decide to go on that tangent. Nemum honor ambano na ishadanye how kase bi afesu so ne esuro say one we akoye putupru sanka na no kwase da mampanyini kasa ya ade achi do da de acheche for monko school ekobasa na no so nka enya de na so hwe mra ode tu mu na efri kwase da no besi ne nyina no ye gina so di ngita ho a ebe ye nyina ye toto adwen ahwe kwan ebe fa so di me de aboa se ampa nkora na ebe school a enkofa haubia emfa na emfa ma chechefo school agresofo district directors regional directors won say baby ayeka teacher for no nko ha teacher for no ba be gina classroom na nkasa nka ye be kan say help the bia nka be front line officers no na mom ye wo bika na say modern so ko restaurant ko didi na wura na asiesie no shepe odema wo no no aduane no binom hye jare wo ben no asa aduane no nti say school adekire ene adesua be koso a ye wo mpanimfo akukudama be hye sumase a be bo amasa ne bi regional directors by regional director be call rounds avese bibia o ko no are test no dey ko okodu school wa dey kit ni hye no dey ko obedu district level a district director one in one so ne nkrofo ebeko akore niam a ekobe so se no be sidi akono circuit supervisors running field officers are begina churchefo and the district directorate in term no aso otunu moto ana otunu car ana otunu bicycle hwi awura school ho but minister the car who said no visitor will be entertained in the schools. Their question to me is a bit vague and ambiguous.
Parents no and na ohun ni kan so ba ko so man no boarding house ya pro na ku school ha and then apala or here wo yare bi yeso nko no no tenefi
then yare be susu yare ya yeso nko
say medical report we bitini
nti ya nhyehyɛ na be de agu kwan mu sɛ be school bia wo bia no be kyerɛ kwan a ebe fa so am ye hu sɛ saa yare sa bia we sɛ bibi bia to akoda bia wo school mu na mo am wo saa location we nyina no mo be kɔ ayare sa bia we sɛ ba eno ne ne ma sa be yegu so na ne wo me sɛ na mfa sɛ be anihunu no woni enya bibia eye abnormal nipa bo wi ase da odno wo sabeka no bia no ne honam no ado kakra so ho bi susu wo a odne sa ka se ya enyunu pa enji sa akoba na bia onyare na wan bia be wi ase wuti nyo ya so no be ma to yare adura na nso ya akoya de sa ho no na ye wo hawo kakra san say was visitors every visitor who penny meaning who conditionary bia ma it will not limit it to only parent ho bia ho enji sa emfa se me cha de wo asim boys na meko ya santoa me checheni meko ya santoa secondary school akwa hwade a inde kwa ya sem checheni nti bia meko we me yonko checheni bi ali yesu ade a nti se ekohia wo ho a me visitor na se me teacher kwan be ne be fa so nti niam bi wo ma ni nyina be wie se ye nyina Ghana fo nti ase se ye de nkwada bi no nkwa a chechefo na adwumafo bi nkwa e be to pre kakra asre awurade se o ma boni bi ensi na nka yentumi ma nkwara no nkotro be nso hwe no nwie kwan no wa na otwe be nsia na Sunday na otwe be me nsa bi akwa akotwero ni ho no na nka jiri wa kakra ne aho kire no ewom sanse efiri obra kire ko bobra pa no nka nware so ansa na bedru wa no kwal mu nsam no dɔso bebre
another way is DHS phone so munya ekura classroom 9 p.m. 9 a.m. no on be sorry na 1 p.m. Adie ba akofo no meet my school no say bi obi so ko jare 9 when we apart from that lady ko kwatna classroom eno an so omo yes sare na say de be ya obi nka me koto bi anya me ko diabo na bi a on ko fa ya bi emfa mesa omo say is another na
ya no de ni mo asem bia kan say akwara na nko acheche ni so nko be da bia ya kan say acheche ni a odo ma na nko nko break no say no so break time so to denim ho a say so pie dia nko na so be ko bi nti we o kan no nka man nko no o kan ma acheche fo ye nyina say wo teacher bo be na to nko na me say me ko break ndi nko na de mo nkai ma bia nko yayi na ne me mu say mi suma ban ne ministry no kra die nti a say nkoda bi hyebre ya babis tosini kakra na yen Ghana for kwa yeso fa so kan no kama yese wan die ni ya obaka sa ban kora onwene nkora no wan die ni yeso obaka sa cheche fo so benwene nkora no se na nsen ya ote sa cheche fo mpese be ko school na ba kire be hododo na bia meka nyese nkire ho yare ba yi ya hu niam ahodo abede agu akwanim wo fo ka na taxi number no so ate mboa wo fo basa number no so ate kakra afi wura bi wa ye ba ya horo yensa e bibia srasra ha no ho niam enti sa niam we nyina ba ntina na di suro se wan hwa na akofa asema ba na mum amana hodo obi no mu ye bi enti yenso so e be fajam na ya ye bi sa de ahwe enti na aso de ni nyina ban ko aso ejina meso bi sanse me ye awofo a mekita nkwada kwan be so na me nkwada ne kasa mba hu se ama sa biri a wo kwa akotwero wo so hwe no eye wo da chinti na man na tu asi we se o boka se ye ko em se papa ka se o kan se wo ko wo hye danim na se bibi ko ba we nkwada no benti mu hye danim en so kura no the ministry no de beto abontin ye wo haw kakra na no em se bia ye duru ha na ye behu e wo dormitory se day students are that boarding facility secondary school bia no be ko ka be ho ama ba kwa akodo so nti aba se nan ba ko nipa se ne bedem
se second years ne first years ne
mo
na final year day students no so ma head no so sa
correct
nti no mo benya enough space
so say enough space no se me no mienu dia ye ni miye ni so ade hu no ya ka say SS4 ba nyini ho exuberance no what say school dey so was secondary school and I say university and I say hey akwa de papa nti enye won akura say nye say atiti ye ntama mask here nose mask here kitam hayi bi be ka say ke wo de na fe so I give you make see what happen obaji no de ahye ne de na obi ho ne man we do it sometimes involuntarily sa ne man ba abonten but ne ye ka nyina say ye church for the yes secreto ama ne man pani di tu abonten no ya hye ho say ye bebo mu nem bosha man pani ne the ministry ne dia ma ye say bebe he say akoda bia benya face or nose mask bi afei hand sanitizers ni ho ne ma Veronica bucket no ne ma ni na schools no benya dodo na atumi aboa no yes and no be kire say afei dem say kwan da from efiri akosi 29 na de gidi say muwa nti yemfa sobo bi ammo
ye go so din komo de how prepared atechirefo aban and afei nyamsumku ahodo o ma ye de train say ye easy the restrictions are the MI fee on the 5th, 6th and 7th and a summer shots here on the 15th, 22nd and the 29th on summer at the senior for local school now so I could share the non common idea who are in Tribia requesting the annual Papa was supplying the Suba in Yandonico. I'm Miss Uncle Reverend Mansman. Reverend, I feel you room a did phone was say a yet a good news more pressure no a yet or how no pan any dear say yes more pressure than say
every kind of how I move a brenna
one
times under Yamaya. Na Imbremo Abine. You say Elkoi, Christian Castle and foolish as here, only a ban continency, a G2, who I do. He's all bring Abine and Abana show say, he never the toilet. But one of the how can say my
one idea how saying, said I'm so dear. Already, it's me bomb pie, worship a crown and matching, bomb pie a crown. We are also there, and
I don't say, do the same.
Papa
You know,
16 minutes.
1 hour na pare as say be 7 to 8. If I will be feeling no net because no matter.
Sɛ deɛ nsɔre na mo hyehyɛ sɛ ebi a nsɔre ma no so ɔde ɔmo ta yɛ late paa enti bi ba wɔ enti ebi a ɔmo no obiara no duru hɔ 8 o'clock ebe start asɔre 9 ebo mo ana no be start from 9 to 10 ti by that time no obiara ba dada.
That's I will say a summer who we are seeing Christo soon and a so also the doors but you also need a sword but don't know yake so fast what thing say piece of fast when you dey look like you use up the so o shen kan for ma so me I want so where the other pagan worship now they have some occultism no so strong because some demon so but the piece of you need so the time of the mind they how to say and I'm not just not ever so doors
Dia na esi
100 yeah
100 no kwa no ya sorry a emu so 1 meter no obiara bi tumi observe
1 meter yeah kwa share 3 meters
okay
share 3 meters
that's the one so
ba I say 3 meters that's full create na ba
oza wow
na me share bi ebia as a secret disinfectant
konya no
ebia as a sign spray home disinfectant is another
disinfection there dey say once in a while be e omu ana mai ba
hwɛnra say the chinia na e automatic dispenser for hand sanitizer in charge of the program okay enya nyina ye manual na fail na so na create nti normal de ba hard na nka yisu say senka ba ka se entire nke ye mbremu no ebremu ye nyina at least saying I have to said the kind was here 12:13. It's 12:13.
It's 12:13. Okay.
The two way. Start here lockdown. Me two car couple and half hour last summer. So for Piaggio national. Here she say we be back of how. Any man go for it. It mean que so be ga le ba me kan. Men hwe say you no so ba be ka obi because the person ni na yen so le beda nti say aban no dey say aba ye gitu mo right but kan ko ma ye plan so say yen ya ye ti dia boy members and so no boy pa say no ka mo be bre yi say e bi so no no me kora because one nti ni yan share na yen so akọ for dan yen no e hwe ma me ka no
mo ya sorry so for dan mo say
no me ka so no so we say police of the country in the prayer towers, my ushers, my singers, musicians, I pay them. The only church in the prayer tower can usher and my son. Now, once we were building it, when you will be able to die on team, they depend on the church. You see, any church in the family, the problem. There was some of us, sorry, or chance of a team day or something. But I don't know. You say, who? Why yes secret or media no class the 20 baby man obi so no kwa so ko ene me yo no kasa me shishi am timi for so be as chin abra so de but me an tia de me peke say nyame wo tia ransom e wo me so according to Psalm 111 Psalm 111 verse 9 I see he has paid the ransom e wo the man ti nyame e hwesa de makwa akota man ni ti da bi e do sese ne de e say ye nyina ye compromising na ye hwe ni so ye betu ye ntumi aye ye ntumi no ye afa ye ready say start first week no na mo aye ya we close the church and said aho
mo start first week na mo
close it
di baba say mo arrangement na say
arrangement dey aye give me phone so no say sit arrangement na any
okay
and then if free pass na bus for that I bet talk the any now the phone so yeah sanitize yeah mo when the sanitizer be gum yeah waste yeah e kwa dia connect to get them straighter over she be inside the get free
okay
yeah Veronica bucket no yeah the soap be gum yeah the doctor be gum preco to be and I just say you are already done now but you share na chere mo ya you best stop
mo di kan ama asɔre ma na nya ne tie sɛ ebi mmra this type mo bi ebi mo so mmra this type na sɛ obiara e ba be buo na ma yɛ one na chichichi
ya make you mo ma ya we they say check see your big auditorium so say you start one hour no you pa me ba na say na ya na ni e start ɔma bɛtena ase na wɔtete wɔn twɛn na ne hyɛ ase ɛyɛ ma imagine to ada auditorium a wɔn nso yɛayɛ arrangement a nwia no nso yɛde sleeper table wɔ n'ano nso abɛma yɛde abɛhyɛ ase but sɛ bed no bɛyɛ too much a we have nothing to do than to stop.
Yɛsɛ mo yusu handkerchief yɛbɛyi mu ma kwaafo a no mutumi grupu to nwom ne nyinaa no ɛsi no ɛbɛ bi ɛnwom no kɛbɛ mɔkɔmɔkɔ yɛ ano ɛna menim Sunday school fɔ nkɔla mobɛyɛ ɔmo da ɛfiri sɛ ni kwan sɛ nkɔla no so nso maame ne ba asɔre a nkɔla no ɛma
because 3 meters they are quite a range. You best. I don't say. She say no. Let me ask the president. Or you're not from the area, but was share a comfort sleeper. Who now see him, man, here, but measures from the room to me here. She'll be to compound house. Of a pastor and a compass of the pastor who be done back 3 years with you and number one. It's a comfort as here. And she said, no, can't be better. The perception, not any oh, a bear said Christo for the year Casa de Breve. I told Shanso and the Christo soon, Yan and Yan sorry for Elton for your Hindi. The PIAD, they say, Fabia, anybody here. This sanity and inquiry and the issue for the sale.
Is it more bureaucracy saying, and they Yawada?
Say no, other Christian society, your massive desperation, no matter. The first I'm teaching about the also the cure arrangement. So if you say you're caught sorry for a week and not 2 weeks, that's an intimate wire. You don't obey the fee. You're catching a mission and I'm got some training. Church here, first in Israel, you have to church in 3 months. That's a spiritual jubilation across the doors. You be implemented to me. So the can say that you were suffering a year, you were suffering beer, or you suffer but a couple of one. This is the time also any agent. I had no me. I want to crab there, but they are crying. But the everybody say they are baby, who be tears and so yes. Obey a day and a way, sorry. Start the moment again, and then the list, I 7 million.
You to go on TV. Officials, they are brave. I come. Here in 500. We like a minister. We'll be on our side and yes. I have a lot of it. I saw about the OD. They had to pay money. It's obeying me. But Sankabana catches okay with the measures of but 1 year the Alphabet Toma. A payment person in woo. The Becca, I said them when I said them one. Said you will be a visa back out. Because I don't want to die premature at this stage. I feel you ever enjoy life. Until the city book. Sana maso bebu ya me peso bewu so fu bia so ma betina ase so ya bone so ya papa just said the open nyan ko ma bia ye but one na was so Christo wo so ye ne de asa ombo ma so ma ho ba Oluzafo ye din komo odo ayete ba on 0543596070 WhatsApp no be nya bra kan na ye nwendwe na ho se asofo na ready ana sesen ene ya wa ha na Mozambique for ba ha o ma ba beji omo tempita gan any face mask e de ko ochina central Asante Mantemo central mox omo besom bere uti obi a de o kan uti papa so de o kan na papa se ase ye kwabie enso no enya patom na ye de ekro fo wa nye nchene bra ni nyamre ntimi enkenkan emfa emaw na no bi ebusa question bi no bi busa question bi okay, now many from Akumadan. I say, please ask Pastor for me, why don't they stop and then wait for an appropriate time? Papa?
Yeah, you decided. It's a so when you know, I say, Papa, because I said, you're crying. Now you're trying a baby. At the end of the night, he will take care of his people. Now you the right thing to do.
Okay. Ask Pastor if God has been sleeping since they have not been going to church. If not, then why don't they stay home and observe social protocols?
Something happened. In the book of Numbers 35, 5 I think verse 11 BBC 25 Bible say onyame sheda ye asofo ni kuro maako say yenyi city says yen friend the city of refuge this will be kum nipa na wan sheda na sese ekunu no tibi dwane totoa onyo oje nyame nai but onyame odi nipa ye immediate menu God the stuff they say me ya sorry one day me say I cried time I quarantine me show na me ye Facebook live one guy just sent me a message was so where is that your God you are with Jesus when corona is taking over I cry on the line
nyame pa wo na yare kunkum ne
oh
mai
my God say nyame Kristo wo so ya na susu ti won you feel the pain nyame na but nyame nipa ene kasa hwade bi Hebrews I can't say Hebrews chapter 13 verse 17 I say I saw my nyasoti man because here they show on kara so I be be say free and China no ya na quite sorry and go ya sorry body pa ba na me wo but na me pe paso nti ne say na me na
Baba san ba ho yebi so di ko won so fa de nchen bra na afi ya ne dwene ho na nat o questions no loss pa man for the endorse me no ba ko okay we say say my good evening please I am Anthony near in Science Senior High School in Western Region. Please ask the night chairman for me if it is true that teachers at the front line will be given 120 Ghana cedis as front line allowance. Study was I didn't want to away.
Say Mike, we kai ni minu anano say baby ejina sisi ya no. Am say na mai gua paso no, ben for the nberry. Nye sebi sika ye pentina ye ni beji say yeah, but
first thing they say,
on the maybe
for no,
I tell your phone in Abu say, Yang at the labor front, no. Say, any abiding Yankita, would you be as saying, or the Bibeka, and you may fork at Yahua. Yeah, radio so an so Krata Sem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there can negotiation we negotiate in good faith ni nyina itawo aban di no say nsi po enwie pe ya wo table one ye di asem no mo bia ni wo kwan say o twe asem no do bi koto de kodi nkomo esa zo kwa esa say
sika bi sa bi na
yes sika no ye de bibi say ye bi sa aban say say eba ye no we be dey akodi fatana kono enti ayaresafo kodi animu no frontliners bro fo bae enti ama ba hu say ba nya bibibi sabre ya chechefo so be kwa akojina na ye kan chechefo a ye wona kuaku ahodo bebre se say ya chechefo a be ko school no enye asechefo nyina eye ba wo JHS a 1 na JHS no kwa so nye be nyina ba be hwe nkwada ba be school ba twere so ye no be be de no
say ya tete mu no must go about person reading na I see in my school the final years are almost 150 and then 3 classes meaning they are more than 50 in a class and on number and then
no na dia ehia esisi a
30
say e call 30 but say school no na da na yesen we go school bi mo zo
national lines no ya bi line na tum tu betimi afre 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 ofre be mo a be fa na ofra na o ma the volume of your TV set no akofom wa se mo se bi on before on be you
na ni na me kan say we go ba bi mi tadi kuro we party say bi akokroko kuro kutu ana say kuntunso we ba no school no JHS no yenim say JHS 1 2 3 ntino bia adan 3 pe no kitwa bia wom ne headmaster no na dia auditorium teacher for 3 bia ase enti say sa number no wo na akoka say ba be ko twen so no kwa be ko titim 30 na 25 a e dey give the bilim tra park so
okay
ba jo aja say enti sa ne nyina ya niam ya kan di sika sam de mesrem ni ana say so kopa no yetimu kokono ni ewie na cheche ni bia nya amane akora bia nya amane na nkora ni timi twen so wie na se benke ya je katua na akora na ya ye nyame adwuma na mom se ye be diskachi akoka acheche fo ne nkora na gu akono wo ba ye ni akode ye de ene no de ye ntumi nya ne sa e wo se mampani aka na num se ye no enya de aya na esuru wobɛdi atɛm bɛbɛka sɛ paa sɛ yɛkɔduru hɔ na veronica bucket ama sanitizer ama deɛ a
call away hello good evening hello good evening
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes, you know you are free.
Hello.
You know you are free. You know you are free.
Me paso the plan anakwame. Me kata itu tantu the fight.
Nama itu.
Tantu the fight.
Nama itu.
Me kata. Tantu the fight.
Nama kasa. Okay, ofra ti o mo fam na ija TV na wo hwe no. Okra o de ti o mo fun ni ankasa e wo fun no. We are not also continue with TV. No. Ofra na lower the volume of your TV. Good evening. Free.
My name is Madako Penny.
Okay.
Because just for the chance, I'm here only about your phone. I'm just offering educational teacher. Now, who say, my premier year, I saw for young sorry. And now I said, my sister is going to say, Serbia was something in Hebia, almost registered before Sana with me up. Sorry. No, it's a Sunday, no, you miss us a bit near Basso. Because a Sunday, I saw it near Basso, young co-register. No one can you be anything. There was a good one in Tassia, Peter in Sumo Kennedy, about Fano Moko School, and a very dangerous. If you have to feel, you are the car. Imagine what for car, no free at unity. I be able to advance you, not send school. Yeah, what is it? You know, I'm a penny question, Mr. Macasawa, I'm a penny question. Besides, any public person or no question, you or more permits. No, I don't suppose they come now much now for capture because they're my uncle. I saw what they also nipa 100. Imagine, I saw them a quantity in Yako. What I'm doing, they can register it and some at Yako, sorry. But that's it.
Okay. Dr. Professor, that's it. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. There's a bad program also.
You too,
the party order you notice a make can say the party which me kaza
yeti obani
me present committee say almost for uniforms teacher and crown on sa primary no from KG1 to class 4 almost about teacher from filling ahead so you mo part. I don't know if person beside because this is TBA, it is the teaching and doesn't come in front of me.
Okay. Now, Secretary, I think they have information more than we do. What me, you are not. Well, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Hello?
Good. How many times I wasn't repeating it? They say, oh, Fra, you too, our phone. You know what the volume of your TV, and if you action can. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, very free.
Good evening, I'm not for the order.
Another friend. Nkranza, you.
Yo, ayi de me di mo mo se dan puru ni je ko ndi e tu ayi penyamia mo na ta ta na mo dia ndi e ni fa ni ma ha sa so fu ji ni de ji ta ya yin tan na de ta ta ya sa e ji ta
Nana Yerasi, Yenchan Praza Puna. Good evening. Hello. Okay. Hello. Right. Good evening. Hello. Okay. When question now,
Niaba they say, all the private schools. Yeah, no schools. Yeah.
Hello. Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
We are free.
Hello?
Yes, sir, that's it. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
Dear we are free.
What do you mean to as of now?
I'm not getting you clear, but well, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, we never free. We never free.
Good evening.
We never free.
I'm not
All right, there's a lady. Chairman, into you.
The other part is that when you switch my way, you're going to the year, you're the first year, this year, I'm going to be calling short of it. I'm not very safe, you know. Canada, yes, it's Linya, everyone don't tell the boy. I had heard that I'm in the power call when I'm India. Everywhere I do. Every the first we are doing that. We say we have the Nabia. Okay, you are a bit more than you. Let me just see if you are for the relation. I'm going to use it. It's a thing to do. If you ever have a share, you can't tell the name for him. Oh, probably you will be very good. No quality.
Okay.
That's it.
I think there are 2 more calls. Good evening. Hello. Yeah, we are free.
But briefly, it's very well.
It's going to.
The government is really good. I know, not every after I would be on my phone. You need to have every power to start more stuff. Because we didn't let them be up there. After we didn't go away to another community, we don't have to do it. That's how we will be coming to America. You know, but it doesn't mean to have.
Yes. Good evening. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We are free.
If I can face it, I can
tell you. I'm Jane.
If I can face it, Christopher, you're not Christopher. It's also my gun, I say a Christian country. But if you can't get by you are pulling me. If you are not Christopher, you are a Christopher. If you are pulling me, you are better. You are making a BBM own to me. Now, if you are pulling me, you are better. You are going to make you money and not the number. If you are my gun, you are to team. You are to team. Na yo amma pai na nyame priso no da medle
ye na se oba ma ye chata pafo say amanfo ni nche ntimi fo bia be fancy a na obi bisa asem bi se uti papa yi ana je se akoye se ekoma dia so fo bi nti na ye bie asor no omo ja tu nso mo beko akoye adwuma no ana se nyame no asum nti na mo ja tu se restrictions na de dia so mo beko aba
nyame no sum nti na ye ko okay. But to do what you share with a lifetime, it's a whole shop. It's also a part. You will not lie. I try to say, we call so now shop of baby, change sketches to this. Papa, 7 years, who's a fellow friend that I'm telling you. I saw a transfer from my papa. I will treat it to you. Let me share now. There was soon a man, I didn't have a but I saw for you so over to share and you also come. I saw we won't lie that fact. If we are saying no quarry, only people who quarry on a baby of a can. I do come and talk, better what you be our assassination. It's true.
Masamba, what happened? Me too.
Na me nyane bi safa ankwara school bi abasha say abe register ankwara no. O say wo yeje akwara ne din awofo ene nema nne na ba say esi nya awofo bia no ba bia wote fia wote no ba bia hwe wa yebehu ne ntem akwara no nkora no beba school ne nua no ma no be wo fie bedo private schools no bi schools no eni was prayer so we ne nhihye abede ma asofo efa asori ho a se nipa bi obekwa asori bia no betwe ni din hu nipa no sei ye de won kwara ne din wo school mu dada nti e wo se hu akoda bia wo fo ba bia be wo sabri awose be na ba ani nti na ma acheche fo no binum asase ko school ma be hwehwe nkrata mu frefre na mesra wo fo se wo mfa ma cheche ni ma no ye ria nyame mfa you might say, you better what I
and only a nut for not okay.
School sleeping or buy
not so you do my okay.
Yes, I'm crying.
Wow. No smacks. Right. Na yemo modern say bitimi aboboy the what you be saying nyamredu ne adi komo you say they was prepare the minds of the students and when minister ka say I think on Tuesday the minister ka say omo be shasi agro out education na school for not the nti also omo school ase we mu ye omo exit I think go track for nko na ye omo be san akam but omo aka ina ko trend so he no ma san ko bobu wa wase hu abon nti ebenya more interactions na yasensitize awofo adesuafo no and after the chef on okra
wa ye chef bi okra so omo so omo kan say anhwe ya wonko because on fa na brabo no enko chacha so I think say you have much time and next time na yet be edin kobo dey na dey chat to na fi yeah
the message million ma chef for say sabe we o dey hu edua body a eso mo me emfa hu enye ne ye koye no sabe ye tena fie ye te ba si ya yampia ka say ye tifia ye benya bi ye ko school ye benya bi mmeri abase wo say school ye wo mra ebo ye ho ba act no act 651 of e kire fan kwa ye fa so kwa adwuma ye ko ne ye hwe ba bi ye gina no na ye hu ne say nkoyi a bibia no esi ye ho kwan say ye mfa ya sem meto awurade anim na ye nso ye ka say ye dia sem meto awurade anim a woni ya ye timi ye na nso ye hye nkora no so ye ye ne betumi ya say ye ho atiase die dan so ebehwe aye ne ye say ye fa wo
Mr. Peter Boateng Amotene can say on the 15th, Kesa Institution is not a reason. Final year students more exams, and then on the 22nd, a go track and then final year students of the senior high schools. Now, 29th on so JHS 3 for Monstro Marco. Opa, the here ne unima credit na dia ko. Dia kan na aban na beboa. Na awfo no so mo so betumi aboa bi. Na ye nke tititi a ye company bi kwa na ko che e bi a GES no marks. Baby abe 10,000 ni na betumi aboa pa obani ya na se amema so obani ye ja kwan ma ne kura say de Sunday no nyina ye ba sori ni bi ni abehwe ne ma mo de begu akwa se mbesi aye no na ase ma boto kakra wo
aboto se mre no na me say asofo a etie mi so fu etie mi se eyi fu from nti me say obi an kan sam 111 Psalm 111 verse 6 I say erade na be say I say erade appear ransom on the maso you so say on pass on ni say we put e ba sa ba ye tinya me and I saw for the function of say 3 months and question they are eating they are enjoying until we are not going check because of what you eat na we are providing that na no man ni e aduane ma ni pedi tinya ntipati here on my no to come back to its state. And don't think I saw for the year by year.
What declare Sunday fasting and prayers are now? First service.
And declare Thanksgiving service. I yet there to say a bed. After that, the fasting will continue.
Mumbai and Sunday was saying.
To say I have started for 2. I actually.
So much man brought 200.
More than that. It's a Sunday members grant book more than 1,000. Okay. It started for 2 services. Me actually how to go.
But being free to
be a new free
na omra so
I'm quite sorry asɔre bi akɔ bi asa wosu yesu mu sɔre bi a kɔ asɔre yɛbɔ mpa yɛ ma ɔman no yɛbɔ mpa yɛ ma wiase nyinaa sɛ nyame mfa yɛn si yɛsi bi.
Amen. Right, Reverend Banson Boateng Jemfi, a Divine Tunnel Chapel Worldwide. So penny or down now, so say 1,000. But any abiding say any the fight against the novel coronavirus in tea, you say any 100. Maybe so. No matter said they let me fight the common enemy. No, let me abwa or man. When you come home, that's here now. Be back. About to our sharing song. Say and I see you have. Yɛde ɛma God's way caskets ɛnɛ wɔre deɛ ɛda mansa ko manya dan a ebia abusuani bi ɛbɛkɔ wɔn akɔkɔra no a wɔn nso betumi akɔ ɛbere bia no ɛne deɛ esi ne mu deɛ obi ewu na ɔboa wo ama wɔnya casket a anaasɛ tumadaka ne boɔ no wɔ fam na ɔsan akɔde afɛm wɔ ama sika de yɛ yie no wɔama photographer ama no betwa ama wɔ wɔama ntoma a de befira kɔni wodi ayɛ kuna wɔama nneɛma a de bɛka wɔn yɛ yie na ma na yɛ kama na obi a the only scan free na akɔkɔto no God's way casket shop kumase ɛna ɔwɔ ɛkyɛ kwan ɛnyɛ ya kwan kora du kumase a ɔsɛ ɔkɔ labor asafo labor hɔ a ɛna God's way ɛwɔ wɔn yɛ yie ɔpɛ video so bi twa ma wo ɔpɛ sɛ ɔmo fandaka ɔpɛ sɛ ɛyie no ɔfa instrument ma wo ɔpɛ sɛ ɔfa yie ni nyinaa wo ka ɔbɛyɛ de ama wo wɔn esi hu bi ɛnyɛ ho ubi yie no a na wasan sika akɔba no bɔkɔ ɛno ano ɛkyɛ din wɔyɛ wei ɛde aboɔ fi so do sɛ ahokyerɛ aba ahokyerɛ bi mo so amanfoɔ nso wu amanfoɔ nso yɛsi wɔn nti bɔmmɔden a na ɛfrɛ no 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 deɛ wobi a ɔman ghana biara no wotoo saa frɛ no a baabi biara no data bɛsi kɛ na watumi ɛde abrɛ ama wode ayie no yɛtwa ho mmra yɛba a ɛnam anyɛfoɔ no nso bɛtena ase na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ on electoral commission ɛnɛ yɛkɔpie no supreme court ɛna afei nso so LPP primaries no ebi nyamre na etumi ɛdi ho ɛnkɔ.
TV aba amansane yena ebi.
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We aye Kumawood TV. We the yaye demo movie bia mo pese mo share aye chi movie bia no aye na aye movie aye in Ghana ha, especially in our local language bia no. It's all about Kumawood TV. So keep watching Kumawood TV.
TV aba amansane yena ebi. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena ebi. Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena ebi. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena ebi.
Nkonyenya Harriet Odum manyam fiala ganya actress ha lenye fofo yi da shada no na nyi ha pona Kumawood TV a ele agbaji nyoto mi be multi TV akenenya be wo ya mekwela ji hara jagba na yo agba nyala wa vava dereji no kala fima ya brave movies yo keke mi ejitima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jogbaji movies so ha musia no ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima ga iji ha wa me na le na natural etela nya tomato so mi kechra mele kwa jagbagba na nava awo advert alo poplo toto le Kumawood TV ji amo ha wa po onu ava play na ochinacho wonto eta mesia manager jagbagba be ye po Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV ava mi atukoka tanto Ghana tukoka tanto Kumawood TV ava mi atukoka utoye Kumawood TV ava mi Ghana tukotoye
Kumawood TV amansane yena edimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena edimu.
Hello, Ebusia for your friend Calibos, the only boss with wireless. Boss Subakope, TV so they were when it's here. Kumawood TV, and bam.
TV aba amansane yena edimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena edimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu.
Right, yensan Emma ahefo akwaba emfamra Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Yegusu din komo yare bia bagana abawiase nyina for the COVID-19 eno na ama mofra enku school ena ama etoto nsori ni most ahodu mu ena ama nipa ntimi nhia mu dodu mu eni ijuma na nyame ya adom a wonum se wo chena fie meme ena ne kwasi ada nyame adom the Ghana's president Omampani Adawa Kufuor His Excellency ese yebetumi akwa nsori yebetumi akwa mosque no kakra waha so eno nti ubehia ne bia betumi di akwa mosque ho ana se odi beko asori na won soso no ubetumi ade abo ho ban ebi ena ehyemi se we no ehyewo a wotuntum nyankopon kora no a wonum entasuo no empia bonten ena waka obi ya asori nyina ka obi etumi nya we ba ko a betumi atonyom adi asa kama a oha obi a ema we no eye thermometer gun eno no na ye de check woni hu temperature na wo soro na ya yese na yare no wubi ana se unibi eno nti asafo bi a nyimeku ahodo ena afi so no various masks no most be here we be so ena nose masks no ana se face masks no eno so ebi ewa ha we ni original one no the effect surgical one no eno so eni eno so no wo so wo hia bie na wonya bie na utumi de bomoden de ekwa asori na ehyewa na ye kama wunsa ntoma no we die we obi ekwa na bone hwene a home ekwa na ya na eden obi hia original one na betumi aboa wo ma watumi ahome kama eno nti na Kumawood TV ye ne adopter for mpanifo aka abomu a ye de we ni bi eton de ama wo bo no fom pa we ye ton na ye de ama wo amanfo ton no aboden pa wo kurum ye se da bi adwene ho nti no e bia wo Ghana bia no eno ane so be free 0244 108197 omodin a 0244 108197 uwa flawo uwa nzema uwa boko da bia wo bia no 0244 108197 ofra eno be yense ne di bia braw so betue bi mpokura na kabi ne brepem wotua de ama bidi no kura e betumi e de ama we modi so benya we anya bia wontimi nsom nyame ya adoma memenda kwasiada na afifiada modi aso benya bia beja fortna se ene the Electoral Commission of Ghana ene ndi samanyoku manso a wotwen e de fa new voter register no hono e kopie mu e court Supreme Court tnase Justice enim yeboa ena eye Chief Justice oni aba nipa ba siaka no homo ye nson atake decision se enmanimu ya no the Electoral Commission emechire mu reasons ntia omo se new register o mabaye no eni kwan se ye de old voter register no e ka ho na obitimi ka se me obinti munyina we so na momfa enyama me ebedi ho enkomo sanso so na the new patriotic party empema manyuku no patnase enra nek kwesiaye no omo se His Excellency Adawa Kufuor ho kwan se obitimi asan agina manyuku na nim anamu nti one Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de automatically no omo na agina presidential candidate for the party nemum parliamentary no nyame eya adomo on the 20th of this month ebesi menenda na party no ebeko won akoto aba na we no so be na electoral area base said ebe ya mumu 100 more than 100 people no restrictions no so ntino electoral area nti bia bantima abripo electoral area no mako ebia aximwa ebia kokoado electoral area no mako se ebia enugu prampramwa na non electoral area no makoto mu wie nyina na omaka bo collation center ni declare say member of parliament otis wo no ono wa na ensa nkobiu ana say ever from itu no na onkonkodi ade eno ehon komo na atran say e be di set asare eye asonase communication officer for the NPP set akwaba bako de this year yache if it were me here no be efficacy bibia be fine what I say no problem right and then Kamunda NDC communication team member and then national deputy organizer Ashcom Kamunda kwaba bia boko de bia free boko NDC for ho ye ija the MPP e fine the jam no
Juta for ni Burundi. Again, yes, right. I would have been coming last year. Na me ba, even yamre na yet me edi and come up.
TV aba, I'm Sunday.
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We are Kumawood TV. We the Yaya demo movie beer, mo person mo share. Ayachi movie piano. Ayana movie ayana Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawood TV. So keep watching Kumawood TV.
TV aba, I'm on Sunday. Kumawood TV aba, I'm on Sunday. Sini papa be na upe biashe, I'm on Sunday. We know baby.
Right. Yes, sign MI Fapala and from Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments, remember. In your American camera, screen and your numbers no equal. So I'm so now you Libya. Now you could think of Libya. The air to Ghana for Libya now. In fact, Editi Medica now it was a company for having this issue. I'm repeating local Libya. Now could think of so. Say now, now what can I say? Who call Mohai? Or how do them
install come be possible. Now before something for coin. On one number to be denied Abba. Second day to non friend Adelaide. Now here are former chairman of contest or MPP national chairman Anemia 17. No the number. Inti Onono against any family to a certain Panama come as a for a more contest in Ayatov and alleged by pharmaceuticals so near the agent.
Now, I haven't been there. I don't know.
Well, Bogalina Adeladeno. Adeladena into one. If you need the no case, a year alleged say a year quite or here or war a Greek in the May. Never ADM program I see. Nanan can some word about Pimo Cromon or wish if you see a man 1,000 Ghana. That's why I need to be Tiasia. And they are canon Casama many year wearing so because maybe you can and then one of the platforms were Casas in
your beginning command beside the Intia allegedly to Akofubi Otiska. Yes, I see good news and for the NDC. So easy court. Now in the court to say easy magnitude reasons in Tia, almost new voter, and you should old voter register now. And found
since I into HBM. Yababa Council in Tripoli. So the JBD cried me. JBD Eddie. In fact, yes, I into some HBM say, but they free ban because in Toko, the whole of Tripoli, in Toko James and easy. So, just say the extra baron say, Quite over pass over boy, no dear by the blue Ghana, and I idea yes, Barbo. They take it today, you can take it. He says, Can I move on? Say, if I can go on, you never feel. So, then you now come, you live a bit. How is it? I is stranded. Oh, Tripoli, I see. Sir, why I don't call yet? Oh, with my enemy, Yana buy. In case I buy a dear buy it, Yana buy it. How Jim's cannot say, okay, Sicano, many times you don't know, or more shall say, no, we are Jumano. Overcatcher say, you have 1,500 Libya dinars, Emra, 1,500 dinars, no. And Overcatcher say, number of passengers on the other banner, 160 passengers, and almost share. By general no say number of passengers no mwenya 80. It is a idea as 4,000 dinars and become then you 2,500 dinars. No more fire mbra. Yes, you get 1,000 dinars no sana kamu. And I mean what is the saying? You can be almost 200 plus. Wow, almost 200 plus because yeah say you better be doing you have a few, you have a Xmas and I see you have a few. Or want to know fire, but General Motors say, baby, didn't you? You have a Tobish and Fonsa, and also want to know fire. ana yare bebo mu asese baabi a ɛwɔ so no unia min kan na da sɛ ni nyame ana bɔ yɛ ho ban a bibibɔni bia betumi ato ya mana yi bibibɔni bia betumi ato ya mana yi because deɛ wobɛdi kora de
na
wontumi pie sɛ ɔkɔtaa deɛ
wokɔ Libya yɛni Ghana embassy wɔ Libya
Ghana embassy wɔ Libya
mama consulate no
Ghana
wate
asɛm na kɔdu n'ani but yɛnim deɛ ɔka fa ho bio asɛm na kɔdu n'ani yɛnim deɛ ɔyɛ fa ho nti yɛpɛnabare sɛ abare na bɛtumi aboa yɛ na mpanyim na bɛtumi afrɛ no na wono ne ka bɛsɛm na wampɔ wofa kɔn bia sɛ ɔdeɛ bɛbɛ fii bia ɛno deɛ ɛna yɛhwehwɛ ɔhu
na
sɛ sika ne sika nkoa no ɔtaare
okay nti ese mu yɛ nipa bɛ more than 200 ɛna ma wɔkɔ bia mu mo te fahin ese yɛ fahin na mo te ɛwɔ Libya Tripoli wɔn fahin na mo da hotel anaasɛ mo fahin hello set hello right abusua yɛ kɔ Libya na yɛ ne set di nkɔmɔ o ti ni yia ɛsɛ Ghana fɔma wɔkɔ ɛwɔ Libya ɔso mo yɛ nipa bɛ more than 200 mo tue sika ɛde ama travel agent ɔsɛ nkɔde ɔmo ba Ghana ɔmfɔ mo mayɛ ɔmo de nsɛm na akɔda Ghana ɔmo mpanyia na nsi ne ɛwɔ Libya for more than 5 months ɔnyɛ ɔmo hwee sɛ Ghana fo no bi wu so ɔmo bɛyɛ dɛn well ɔno no yɛ de ɔmo ɛka yɛpɛmmerɛ na yɛne maame hyɛlɛ yɛkɔbɔtwe ɛdi nkɔmmɔ na yɛhwɛ mo ɛbɛtumi afa so ɛde aboa Libya fo a ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo ba Ghana na ne ɔmo ntumi ma nti sɛ yɛn ase but yɛne mpanimfoɔ aka bɛdi nkɔmmɔ yɛn ayɛ kɔbɛfa so ɔmo bɛtumi assist immediately na mɔtumi abɛka yɛn so yɛn ho ɛwɔ Ghana deɛ aha yɛ dɛ yɛsi ha yɛre na aba na emom yɛre no kura akyire no aha yɛ dɛ paa aha yɛ dɛ mo mmerɛ fi na mo yɛ enjoy yɛbɔ bɔdeɛ de maba na ɔbɛka ho ama yɛ enjoy ɛwɔ Ghana kawuda to asoma me na ko se ni yɛ esi wɔ hɔ ɛno deɛ busuasɛm wo nyɛ busuani ɛne before mo nyɛ mo tɔkɔ ɛna mo ko mo de da ho
yɛ sɛ ɔkɔtɔ sɛ agbo bi si wo nia so a yɛn ka nkyɛn sɛ yɛ dɛ sɔre me so oso on sɔre yɛ so esan so fu on so ɔde bɛyɛ dɛ ɔde bɛba yɛn so yɛn no mo nyina wo de same constituency ne deɛ sɛ gye gongon a ɛnyɛ wɔ mo nko ebi a ne mu nua bi kora no odi wɔ mo kyene so na akɔ yɛ da akɔ saa no nti sɛ deɛ bɛyɛ na so deɛ bɛyɛ dɛ bɛba no because ebi me bɔ mo kora na kyerɛ sɛ democracy ɔmo di mu tintima yɛ ho demonstrations yɛ ma no nyɛ dɛ ɛmla nti transparency deɛ ɛyɛ obi bia nti yɛ ma no nyɛ nsɛm ansa yɛ mo mpa yɛ ɛmpɛ na yɛ si bi a na meka wa nya se bel set na ye ka ho asemi wo ko passport ko ye ma kwa ma fa nkonko ye sene bi kan sa na wo ko ye national ID so a ye be request so ye be request ansan ya mo ye de aye na o hwe bel set awo sa na ma we ni mu nyina na dum pempem so mi be trade na se ehia dia na yi si ne pese ode nkwantana ye de edan Ghana man we sa ko bi mu a national voters ID aye de to abe de yin as a president and what is she and no in yes ad ko to abako yi assembly members ya sa so in e dia kwetete agency beblebe adenti na wo ma ye kwan e me ntime fa nkoto aba we bu so mo a de mo kan ne say voter ID no ada for foreigners e will be na most of the voters sukuta bi but all about passport and I want to Ghana higher say see a check Ghana population what tramit ma catch 2 out of 3 Nigerians ekuta passport the Ghanaians say they are because Ghana near one year na so to kan on passport it birth certificate at least ya wo bia if you also now cry 1 year cry also your birth cert and no dey marks compulsory it birth cert major important na in can give you the first time you feel your registration bibia mo nya dey enye you are marry it is we catch us all man come on for birth cert and your registration menye ntum na second do almost I can be say you be here any premier no bi ama oma guarantee ansa na what we do enti oma mo kwa guarantee me more important than birth cert ni criminal na say ye 5 nti ka chen se nipa 5 ati obi abano fa nipa 2 eni na chimla ni metan dan dem hanuma e dan na you choke e kwanda le be fa so a ye be akwa social distance na we de all kan in na population in Ghana police sectors in square na omonye more than 60,000 at least abro so maximum of 60 na population ekuta Ghana say in your police station 42,000 plus across the nation. It's about 42,000 in the Ghana. To according to the police, now so we check their more. Let me catch the police station be a police more than 3. It took a cast animal in your boom, a basic day, and a police personnel at me police station.
May grano, Sanya, and so boy, I swore there. If you could read the idea, who's in so bad. You did get out of one.
Oh, I mean, for security reasons. Yana ya kone nyina ye ni individual differences so be afili be bi ni ma adwuna obedi ya da ba na motive behind this mint me ya da enche nti ene de yes say first into mo ba ene de kwan be so gidi say da abua because me no to krema you hu dey see court because your court you nya your court say right what we can do to allow the peace to prevail in there. It must be done into court. Ebema peace approval in our court. But what you see here, metro man for Bowa court. Into na police for any one more. In Kakoya and Sem baby. Into police here. Here,
right. Kaunda, NBC, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member, and then Ashcom, Deputy National
Court. Any Bia is said, Fatase, economic or commerce. Nuntina Bernard Mona asema opan say odi muja ana omudi muja ebesi new voters register never be no pan na ogina hu a buru nipa adan ni nti ase say obi a oye party titinani na court wo ho asem court na so de odi muja na odi besi bi an pan na buru adan ni nti ase na bio yen kana yin na yin hu nti ase court asem na aba na ye kan say yen pese and then court said is matching India only voters register voters ID card no free yen percent is be kwa trim na to court na so na court ajatum say yen card no free na etina asabe asafo esa say the status say ba be card ye shall say free ye ni bread e breni ho ai no mobile e be boka and you free your boka and you baby do best set na best set na sem you miss I am say see I idea registration free say year registration biometric mention century biometric there hasn't been any instance every being why you did best set I primary documents their registration on mine why now I the internet best set and primary document you will have NIA card, some will buy a card. One with the birth set, one with the passport, a primary document. This same NDC people, I sorry say, and no beyond all birth set, who could say, or be birth set, I didn't say the birth set, primary documents. And then, what say, one man beside say, yes, I have birth sets and primary documents. What sort of double standard is this? So, when you can't go here. It's not on the website, no, or Ghana, and you are being heavy. And I know so on Tiasen. Ye Baba Twamba. When you say Ivory Coast, 10th, a year Guadebe, and almost a mobile register, but on that October. It's 777 proud. Yet I see a chess a young Ghana. Ivory Coast put me a share of Munioma and also with me a boo of mine and I want me who said anything only said because Ivory Coast for any the also only a China Ghana. Ye better to us December. Ye card June. Yes, yes, yes. And rich. This is a pilot and me a this register never been. One of the Jumedia register, I get very credible and very peaceful. If some of 4 years from Muhammad, I this so we are a major political party, at least a major opposition party. Currently, they want me credible even in opposition. Opposition party, I say, you have a voters register. But IPA, near Shamra, was maybe but you are pilot to the Obeco. Italian and Brana, yes, Set now we see a function. I like iPad, see I buy iPad na near come once. Man bank can be over. Now so mobile bet na one thing, mobile bet na radio, mobile bet na TV so now I come on my iPad with TV so. You do bra, I was say as on mine you who say on mine you need a try your baby. Say a voters register. Any coin say on my 1 month no. I don't so cry my me do my baby they before because I'm not here or more pilot. Obi pray to her 5 minutes, 3 minutes, no I be no a more. Peter 5 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Me regional director Kasaya Asante Rural Bill one cassette.
Oh, so like now regional office. Me when 5 minutes or any card be.
Maybe what I did not need my problem.
I don't think I'm here piloting. Piloting has been done since 2012. I'm here pilot. Our friends in Nima. Machine break it down. Yeah, me say we are. No, I park out naturally. And from so saying about oh, Nipan the bar, maybe 5 minutes on a door, so you enter some 3 minutes. It's almost training officials now. No one will point out on the first one training officials now. And it's a oh, we ban over the registration. And that time now, we do a pilot and all these are very over. When I been part, I'm not only a station. Then it do. Somebody, you're better about registration there. And to me, she said, you're better about a fee. Now, yes, you're registration. Because our president that was said, you're better to a baby, one hour 18, and 1 hour be register, no more, no person within them, or see a more or within them.
I know you're limited, and is it no commodity?
So, right, when you are accurate limited registration.
Why?
And make main registration difference will be a different. The only thing about kind numbers. But maybe constituency registration pay registration. You can't downplay any registration. And protocols are already at 12. Say you now see a baby so. Now say young said easy for say so Ebeya kone ebeya ni kaya na se be hu se ya ma me osem ye kebi mem kebi na e tu ya wo so South Africa kebi mem kebi e di mu che amai be bra na South Africa amai nyina this easy commissioners here wo we omo be ya dia ama suri ase
but am I for so say I say the current electoral commission omo said that imundipa Nasa hata chusi ya tuweza fura wamoso metiti mujinti ya wini register Oma imani siya cheka kwa mamo ya mtevi Ese para force ya noma dinkita mwana kasho mwa ya mtevi Uhiasu societies Ahuwa omo eni isti siya ya mkara se no Ijima lata komisi de baya na Eni shweni So be ni buta register Still na wasoba kwa suwaye Asa mamfu hede umhingi isi bidi ana
Sabai September 16, 2019 ECBA for exhibition of register. Omanpanyi da da Dramani mama koko share ni din obo. Odu ho say the process ni ko. We interview or grant and say the electoral commission must do something about the register. Say electoral commission away. Na so obia beto nsa frɛ no na wo sesa omo akadium de adwuma nyina na ele ye gina House of Chiefs. Echina free why e be call a friend say Imani. Echina free we be call Asepa. Na ebrebe no be nya de atena se ya ye.
Right.
Na ya unu se se mai. About what na ye beto.
Good.
Eye process. Eye nhyehyɛ ni di so. Enye tumedie ba ko pese me sorry ya na ko gina ho ye beto aba. Enti oso mo so ehu se o betena se mo ye o mo hyehyɛ brown from election to from registration to exhibition to deduplication. Na yaba be do adana e beto aba o be registration provision of register of political parties and say ya beto aba. It is so man na pre an yes ultimately when you no mo na ye kasa e china ye kasa o ultimately na ye be nya o kasa.
National House of Chiefs there. Omo ni obi abeka se wunya mbre famon because who did you make it.
The National House of Chiefs ni mo to omo.
Okay. Me da say for the remember we explain ni abo say numbers bi so 0543596070 that is channel baby nyamre ne akenkan ede ama aha kuma TV siripi mre na enya na yesi nsɛmnipi ha na nso wetiri ho de ekoso Ghana Masaru Dibantama was say the NDC must fear voters not EC boss because the EC can never help any political party to win elections. NDC is rather suffering from sleepless nights. Period. Hashtag new register a mass regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah-Boateng. How the community is about the power. Honorable say Ochiao. OPK also say NDC are confused with their hypocrisy, double standard, lies, and propaganda about the EC and voting. It's not by force, so they should boycott the new register and also boycott 2020 elections. Who cares? Regards to Honorable Martin J. Mensah Kosa, incoming member of Parliament for Petiman. Okay, OPK so the Abba LNM. Nana Yao Menu also from Mankran. So I say I support the NDC, but they should go to court. If they win, they win. If they lose, they lose. They shouldn't be fighting us on media. Okay, and also Eddie, I don't know. Teacher Kujo Tepeni so I say the good people of Ghana agree with the EC. NDC party members can choose not to register and nobody cares. Regards to Honorable SK Miyama Kwada, so member of Parliament. Okay, Nanaya Ojedu also from Achiriusia, right? Good evening, Sir Mike. We show this afternoon. I like your outfit. Good. That's it. Please tell the NPP to think about the loss in 2020 because Ghanaians are fed up with them and they will see where the power lies. JDM or the way. Okay, what is fashion? They tell Sukumasi or say the NDC government just want to come back to destroy all the good things the current NPP government has built. Let's say no to the NDC because they are nothing better. We have nothing better for we Ghanaians. Regards to Honorable Hilda Ado, incoming of Parliament for Kwada So and Lawyer John Kuma for Ejoso constituency. Okay, Emilia, right from Asamase constituency. We leave the political peace and security in this country to the hands of the Electoral Commission. So they must listen because any chaos in this coming elections because of registration will not be taken lightly by citizens. Freedom of speech is becoming a problem under Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please tell the NPP that they cannot intimidate you, the media. Why are they intimidating your own colleague? Okay, of Angel FM, Kofi Adoma Onwani. In no time, they will intimidate you because they know you guys are doing a great job. Say no to intimidation by the NPP. Okay. Right, come on TV, so EDM come on. Some watching so they are there, right? Message is not. We need to as a former president, Kufuor should be commended for exhibiting good statesmanship and adding his voice to the new voter register. NDC think Ghanaians are cakes and fools. Now their election director, Ebi Sefiyanka, said they are ready for a new voter register. Wonders shall never end. Regards to Ernest Yao Kumi of Akotia. Okay, as a formula for Nana to do more. Right. Yen Sanche na ini emphasize and from a God's way caskets asafo eno if that efe na odisi bi film na the kokosie no am say yes if that way the mo akoro so and am peace herbal center Dr. Muhammad Isa Arabiu say open bidro pa dia okọ Muhis herbal center odu ma no so do me abrahwa na wo kumase asa na making ono dia de eduro pa bidro na Muhis etimi ede eye adwuma bomodia na efe Muhis Eba Center na fi ono so chane so say yawa de bia no ansa na sinipebeda fo betrase no na Muhis Eba Center penifo so atnasia omo bibidru se de ho enema so esi etie twa homra sema na fi no yemeto akwa twetwe na so na yemehwe NPP primaries say NIBC akọ 20th ena dwumadi eba so yeba se ya
TV aba amansane yena yedie
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We a Kumawood TV. We the Yaya demo movie beer, mo pesa mo share. A yechi movie piano. I na movie I in Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawood TV. So keep watching Kumawood TV.
TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie
Nkonyenya Harriet Bodon manyam fiala ganya actress ha lenye vovoyi da shada manno na nyi hapona Kumawood TV a ele agbaji nyoto mi be multi TV akenenya be wo ya mekwela ji hara jagba na yo agba nyala wa vava dereji no kala fima nya baby movies yo keke mi ejitima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jogbaji movies so ha musianu ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima ga iji ha wa me na le na nejra etela nya tomato so mi kejra mele kwa jagbagba ne na va awo advert alo boblo toto le Kumawood TV ji amo ha wa po onu ava plan na china jo wonto eta mesia manager agbagba be ye po Kumawood TV Kumawood TV aba nya
right yes sign ema ya hefa kwa ba empapa silupi on Kumawood TV ye din komo wajo nche no 0543596070 WhatsApp for the baby nyamre ni akinkai etimi ede ama ameko set ye hwe NPP primaries 20th
amon ka ma me ye batan bia
match 20th no so mo se mo baye no pool electoral area dia na informed decision
that was said yes situation I won as omai COVID no aba last social gathering there is no constituency ne delegates less than 300
okay
less than 300
I think it's 800
the people 800 maybe constituency 857
wow
857
and only Aswanse
the party say can ho
you
the gathering of 100 in social distancing over anything it say they call electoral area base at every electoral area the maximum obenya ebia 50 40 at most 80
okay
into your 2 year general secretary said the guidelines about modalities but I'm thinking say your 2 year young kind of said the bay abu say ahamina say ye bay yelina at one college
so say yes I am because I don't know that I don't have to abandon you work ya to abandon you electoral area young can say the population center
me say me susu say because guidelines in my and I say what's the whole package now for primaries ya to abay ya to wa ham ya say for kind of junction so na say obet na ho na 2016 NPP yen ballot box be a population center car bia receive yen anti bi car
but we results no e police station
fan say yes see a park kind of population center and war as a candidate no na party na decide say ye to be a yen kind of electoral area ni na the population center no we gina ho say me ko twa population center famra
na kan we ba ko pe o won't me ni na eti
anything I watch before nipa omo kan no election only agent
but ada na monye ni say ya to na hari ya kan
as we know kan me say me imagine
Jesus akwa na mo
denti na emwa ya to ababy yen nyina wo area ba yo area ba ye si o ahane center ahane the boss ni na beba aba ye wi afa we agent na ken ye nko
Who's the denti na ebi on be kan electoral area
ideally ni atubo ya tu wi ya kan nyina abo nti party bet decide say ye nti me share ntu mu bet betumi akan abo party bet me decide say and our point of view now if party bet me decide say tu wi ya kan no be ya to na ya party also ni na dey say na say as a strategic party as NPPs ye be take decision e be boa the party na aboa womo a omugina na ayi nchinya show bebre e dey afi
this could be previous as here we be ke tuya wate ni abronia da dey na asa
your system na run your system na run this here these things the eya no kre the enya no kre ni nyina beba it's me dey me try say the what obi be free ho to say me party my friend me colleague na or constituency me be so say na mate na to say na this for the so mo kan say na say wutie the omo kan no na wo gitumu a say my ka say mato
right ma amyo onda konga say before na nyama so we kwa dey kai we say that musa omo ko
we bomba na say me ni nyina ba ya adwi me ni na kasa me ni kan ya rebatan bi na okeka registration album both limited and general one NDC you believe in limited registration you can be ada say limited registration you place so the general one any place according to the ECOWAS protocol babaga Ghana say for under ECOWAS states you can be any sign be say the 6 months election no country any council or entire day I can register.
And was a Ivory Coast after 4 months
Ivory Coast better about October.
Ivory Coast I'm going to talk about Koran in church in a country where we and law and the intimate can change Ivory Coast.
You are talking about Kowa's protocol.
That's why in here me can Ghana for under 8 it is Ivory Coast say or boom la so and it doesn't mean say Ghana see any day boom la so ye jimlan ye de etum enunti na ye to abawi omkraka so monti ase omko court petition president elected former president John Dramani Mahama ye mo kan then NDC sitting president so mo kan mo ye da ko intimi say Ghana democracy ye de ye jitum don't think kan chance Cote d'Ivoire for ye de kwa ko nti ye se nkonko ye onwa ye bi pen yimisa simsun so be na de ye de ble wo onwa ko Ghana 692 up to date am no ka say ye free military room e be see na am no ka say ye nko ye because ye gi ye hotum ye ko election bi aso ye successful into limited registration ye jitum be na all ka say IPAC meeting NDC ye ko na problem NDC ewo yisi a edum me bia IPAC meeting omo person be kon yisi na ye twinche atwan e be so chese me ye monopoly obi anye de enkama asem na entesa ewo ba bia na akọ IPAC ne so a ehihye ya omo de be man ye de ba yi di dwuma de e ba be do abonten na omo sini trase because when timi si book ni trase na nken kan che the great party NDC na we ya me kan che me say my free IPAC meeting to change na wanye de wamla ye nya ne sa wo ba bia in na secondary
na o NPP premise
yo ofia NPP so premise on bekoya it tells you said the union coming na ya gbe say omo betre we na yakwa kai ni be say pepe penalty say say because when me kan chen say one my church up to 100 peoples say omo konkoya sorry it should be more than that now we are catching say constituency bi a me fam krom cite example kwa ma me poso ekuta be 600 peoples omo 100 more can delegates how can you combine them say you to buy the area ye ba the kai delegates no e wo president omo 100 now can at the same time
omo di ni calculation say e ko kan ho obi ara anso be ko bi ba na kan no electoral area hodia wati de ko so electoral
area okotrefi be be sisa ye de be kon e problem intimi honi say measures ya omode ba be go based on omo yin okran e mi pay e wo se sa be ya no ka sen kan omo me hu measures omode be de ɛde bɛba bɛto aba ɛna health sectors no so akɔ ɛsɛ bi akɔ bɛfa so hyehyɛ bɛyɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ latest na ɛba no kora na deɛ ne yɛde check wɔm meka kyerɛ sɛ up to now no ka sɛ thermometer a de kyerɛ yɛ ha ɔmo ne bi ɛwɔ sector bi asɛsi a ɔmo ka sɛ ɔmo ne bi sɛ abatu na ma so oh na on the 20th on the 20th aka how many days and on the June 4th and how many days 16 days into how a time by in mo kwa koto no mo juice to all the wages and say now me no work as omo campaign so omo share delegates e wo fie no mo kana no ka me be delegates omo mo share more than per amount now we dey all can na samba ho mami mi am man ntum na afei resident mi afa afrefo 0200603602 0200603602 bit me abem na yafa e pa tawo ba na on the volume of your TV set na for no ti ho e wo phone mu e de amaye. To me, I totally disagree with the usage of the card for registration because even NPP are not accepting Ghana card for disbursement of their stimulus package to applicants. Why do you want to use it for registration? Therefore, Ernest Kumasi, okay, therefore say stimulus package na aba cap no COVID-19 alleviation money no NPP for opposite market. I say we thank God that EC piloting exercise has ended successfully, and I know that the compilation will be successful. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
We are free for NTO.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello.
But you are free.
Good evening.
Yet, I told Kapa NTO.
Aja kami akan kerja beratnya.
Okay, yang tiap berkata.
Bagus mereka cakap NGT ni NGT tu ni saya. Tapi dia berapa om cuma mau nanti cepat insumlah. Nanti aku bikin jauh. Okay. Nama dia Kagunda. Ada yang ni saya yang nak tinggal insumlah.
Okay, right.
Sudah.
Kagunda sih. Hello, yang saya dah sekolah. Right. Good evening. Okay, we meet me at Bemna Yafa 020-063-602. Over my Befana, let me go. Good. Yes, now, Professor Kasi.
Sorry. You know me, can we take a more say, friend? I do. Yeah, 2 hours, friends, 168 constituencies.
I'm coming back. Good evening. Hello?
But on TV.
Yes, okay, Yentio.
My thought
Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
That group ni. Mama basopa na adumari azu Mr. Sam Dako Dako Pamichano pa. I'm say mo bo aduma na me no da bia me ka say MPP for ni Ghana for o Ghana for ho a ID card ya shast ye Ghana card amani huna nkrofo for mu no kan san ko je sem la fofo say o say ID card dada ni na free ho ama passport and you know between our register and any pattern what you guarantee me pattern me grace had no comment say sans share no media but you omude abu ID code but you ya be man be court no ko form you o mu free no omu ya pa aba ko ya ko aba ayi ka chere say ayi adini ya kama then na kufaru be dia de wie abaka chere say anya kama dia 34 me so say anya papa na nsu na odi edidi present
okay dako yan fawati na ni ko also betin abem na ya fa oba na ama the volume of your TV set no akofo na etumi ate oka and so yes you were making a point. Was it 160
68 constituencies
68 constituencies
party no energy share beba.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, we are very free. We are very free.
Good evening.
We are very free. My TV go look from Tio or me and Tio. Okay, over Tio phone media TV. Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening. I think so.
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Hello? Good evening.
We are free for you.
Good evening.
You too.
Good evening. Oh, Papa, not a way.
Oh, okay. That is you.
Hello?
Prophet, it's you.
That's right. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
If I tell MP to my bad financial, you only need to program for lecturer role. Much now, my district assembly elections every year. If you buy the first 2 years of office, and come in one country, one can use you and not as a pilot test for the district assembly elections. Not using problems at the back. One can rectify and sign your building my lessons. Much now, I can't just use my you, and I'll tell you to you Ghana card. Shatan, your cotton, who could be here. Cotton, one of the people a bit 4, 3. Ili now, look at the hand and San can be seen. So, truth, my mother, I do cool. To feel looking at Ghana Cardina, young Pankoye. They are in Ghana, you probably do a passport.
Okay.
Now, Ghana card, the record, I'm probably and come with you and come with you. I don't know what idea a better thing for me.
You know, see, you're not for this year. You know, I see my message in the bias also, and Nana Kwame Mensa, Boom Shaka, but also message by teacher Kudu Tepenyasi, also a message by Afe Lordina, also Odipita Kwade, also message by Monfante, China Betty, and more actor. So, Senason, say, Ope, the Mutagani, na Wapo, and the to us or be about the, can I say this is the open your on the temperature. Nose mask, face mask, and I say the button miti and I'm enemy and I pay the actor. Kumo TV, you have one of them, you move in power. But Madi and Abraham, Baby Nebis, I also now afraid 0244 108197 0244 108197. I sorry, most quite a go back now with the cry with the amount. Now if you are now the account what to me about right your corset in the proper just 30 seconds.
Sorry, yeah, for the Mamincha Fagnanyante or Abura Asing Pamanchester. Your best say 20th no one yanadum. Asante Aching Central, Kofi Fusunka, Samonia Nadum, Ota Fupankoro, Vicent Asifua, Omyanadum, and my Joseph Fonso, Omnia lawyer, John Kuman Swadu, my Omuntua Bama, now Omofa, now one parliament.
Set as a constituency communication officer for the NPP and our team. Where don't come out with your right?
Mr. Sir, I say NPP for Ghana. How many are come here? The AD bro. Now a blend is some. Now you mean answer man work out come my first new process and we boss will go into an election no more corner. It tells you say COVID and you catch on some coaches be my Ghana for uncle see on year the in because you see I'm no way the air say. Oh tough is here. So is a for your can answer cray. There was a meeting 3 days ago and no crowd. Pinching the ever on now of him car. Then I can show him one. Come on, go 100 and
and I would say
now, president, I feel now,
Papa, ever in Suta Presby, Papa, and in Ria also, and Yentia, Sofo, Alexa Kukamponsa, Mr. Assemblies of God, Bonso, TVB. I mean, Eddie, Sir Mike, my executive producer, some dark producer, Bernard Ade, production manager, Ochinozo, the one, also, and the cameraman, Kobe Fan, Loretta, and I feel so, Augustina, MCA, and I say, and to me, she said, Medina, and the Maya camera. Yanamasi, I mean, I've been watching 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. The essential, yes, but what in Nigerian man, no more man, Simpi, no man, and conquer, Yakra.
TV aba amansane yena yediem
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We a Kumawu TV. We the yaye demo movie bia mo pese mo share a yechi movie piano. Ayana ye movie ayana Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawu TV. So keep watching Kumawu TV.
TV aba amansane yena yediem Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yediem Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yediem Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediem
Nkonyenya Harriet Kodun manyang fiala ganya actress ha lenye vovoida shada manona nyi hapona Kumawood TV a ele agbaji nyota mi be multi TV akenenya be wo ya mekwela ji hara jagba na yo agba nyala wa vava dereji no kala fima nya be movies yo keke mi ejijima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jogbaji movies so ha mu fianu ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima